Hello everyone, my name is Abby Bliss White and welcome to my channel. We are back with another edition of weekend makeup, and this time we're going to be using all cream and a little bit of gel products. So I was asked if I would create a little look with all my favorite cream products, and I really love cream products, so it was kind of funny to bring some of these out. So I just picked a select few because I wanted to do a quick and easy kind of weekend makeup look for you today. So if you're interested in seeing how I got this super easy look using all cream and a few gel-based products, then let's go ahead and get started. Okay, I'm clipping back my hair with my little Chanel little clips. And let's get some foundation on this face. So we're using all cream products, cream gel for a quick and easy look. And I pulled out my Tom Ford Traceless Stick Foundation. This is still like holy grail status for me, and I haven't used it in a while. So was glad that I was up for this all cream challenge, which I do agree is fantastic for more mature skins. So I have the shade 5.5 Bisque, and the way that I like to use this, you guys, is I literally like to stripe this on my face, just like this, and then buff it into the skin. So I'm gonna be using my IT Cosmetics Heavenly Complexion Brush, and I'm just going to start to buff this into the skin. And I just still love this foundation. It's so easy to use and you can build it up. Now I had a little breakout from some foundations, and so I'm gonna build up this area. I don't know if you can see, I've been doing a lot of TLC on my skin, but I still have some residue from, I got some zits, I got some rosacea, not good. So what I'm gonna do is just build up in that area, and just any other place that I feel like I want a little bit more coverage. And then we'll also use a little bit of this underneath the eyes. The beauty of this stick is that it's kind of one-stop shop, and we'll buff that into the skin. Okay guys, I'm gonna zoom you in just a little bit to show you the coverage of this stick, but it is still my favorite. It's easy to use, and this wears beautifully on the skin. It's really gonna melt into the skin and become one, and I just find it to just be like easy, beautiful kind of coverage, and you actually even get just a tad bit of a glow, but it's not too dewy. So let's bring you in. And here is the coverage of the Tom Ford. And again, you can kind of even press it into the skin. But okay, now that we've got that on, I am going to use, I guess I pulled out, we'll use a little bit more concealer. I went ahead and pulled out the Glossier Stretch Concealer. I have this in medium, and this is just a really kind of easy, kind of creamy concealer, and it's very moisturizing. So I'm gonna take a little bit of that, you guys, and we're gonna place that underneath the eyes. And I like to just kind of press it here, and then I'll bring it all the way to the side. I'm gonna take my ring fingers, you guys, kind of warm them up, and then gently kind of press through my eyes. Okay, we have got kind of a blank canvas on the skin, and I pulled out my favorite contour stick ever. And you guys, this is from WESTMAN ATELIER, and this is in Biscuit. So as you can see, you guys, I literally have used almost all of this up. And would I repurchase? Yes, I would. I love this, and I have not used it in a while. And I am going to kind of define my cheeks. Gonna shorten up just a little bit of warmth on the forehead. I like to do it right under here to disguise any sort of double chin. And then I am going to kind of shorten my noggin just a little bit. Give it a little bit of a shadow. You guys, this stuff is amazing. I'm going to use WESTMAN and ATELIER. This is the blender brush. I love this brush, you guys. And I am going to just gently kind of circular, give myself a little bit of warmth through the skin. And then underneath, this really disguises any sort of double chin. And then I'm going to come over here. And again, I kind of like to do an upward circular motion. Down the sides of the nose. I just want to make sure that that's kind of blended out. I'm actually going to take the other end of my IT Cosmetics, and I'm just going to gently make sure that that is not showing. Okay, so we got a little bit of warmth going on in the skin. We have a new product, and this is from Fitglow Beauty. And this is their LUMI Firm Cream Lip and Cheek. So you guys, this is in the color Buff. So nice neutral shade here. And this says that the lift, firm, and sculpt in one step with the LUMI Firm Cream Lip and Cheek. Natural plant peptides firm skin, while plant collagen fights signs of aging by strengthening skin structure and leaving skin with a fluid and firm look. So we're actually going to use this on the cheeks as well as a tad on the eyes. So you guys, here is the color Buff, and that's a very nice kind of almost what I would consider terracotta, kind of a nice neutral blush. And I did pick up this brush from Fitglow Beauty. This is the Teddy Double Illuminate in Shade brush, and I just kind of thought it might go really well with it. So I am going to take a little bit of what I just put on my hand, and we're going to do a little bit of blush here. And it seems like it would be kind of small, but it actually works really well in a circular motion. So I'll take actually what's on my finger, guys, and I am just going to first dab some on each side. This is such like a really natural kind of flush color here. Just kind of taking this brush here and in circular motions, just blending that into the skin. I like that color a lot, you guys. That is in Buff, and it's just like the perfect kind of neutral color. Then on the other end of this, I am going to take a little bit of that, and we're actually going to put some of this on my eyes. I know it says it's not totally for eyes, but I just wanted to show you this kind of monochromatic look. So I just put a little bit of that on the eyes, guys. It's such kind of a natural color that I really liked it. Then with my fingertip here, I'm going to put a little bit of this color on my lips. This is just such a good universal color. Like, I just think it looks really natural on the skin, but gives you kind of a healthy look. So loving this little LUMI, and again, I kind of have been doing on weekends, just putting this on as eyeshadow. Just a little wash of color there. Now I am allowed to use some bronzer. This is a gel-based bronzer, and so I'm gonna take this, you guys. This one, I'm going to put a little bit in that shadow. So I'm using Sonia G. This is the Sculpt 2 brush. Taking a little bit of that, and then I am just simply going to kind of create a little bit more of a crease. I like this color just as eyeshadow, by the way. So on the weekends, I will actually just kind of do the same kind of thing. Just kind of use this as an eyeshadow. Okay, for highlight, you guys, I'm going to be using my WESTMAN Atelier Peau de Peche. I have pulled this out again and I just cannot get enough of it. So this again is just this beautiful peachy sort of bronze highlighter, and it really just makes your skin look super healthy, and will even dot a little bit on for a sparkle on the lid. So again, I'm just kind of going to the high points of my cheeks. Got it a little closer than I wanted, guys, but it's fixable. So I'm just gonna kind of pat that into the skin. I'm gonna take my WESTMAN Atelier brush and just sort of push everything into the skin. I'm going to take a little dot of this guy right here, guys, and I'm just gonna stick just a little right above the iris. That's gonna give me just a little bit of reflection on that lid. Now, for some of you that do not use any kind of eyeliner, you could simply put on mascara and clean up your brows and be done. For myself, I do need a little bit of eyeliner, or I feel like I do. Kind of ground my eyes. I don't feel like I have my eyeballs on until I have a little bit of eyeliner on. I think this eyeliner would be one of the things that I would have to take to the desert island with me. I've always contemplated. I don't know exactly what I would pick over mascara or eyeliner, but I'm just gonna use my CHANTECAILLE. This is the Lustre Glide Silk Infused Gel Eyeliner. This is in Slate, and I've really been enjoying this color. Just kind of pops open the eyes, but it's not too harsh, very simple, and I am just going to come over and come as close to the lash line as possible. Okay guys, got a little bit of eyeliner. I am gonna go clean up my brows just a bit, little bit of mascara, and then we'll finish off the quick and easy cream-based makeup. Okay, mascara's on, cleaned up the brows, and going to take the clips out. Now, one thing I wanted to share with you, and then one thing I wanted to share with you was my favorite dry shampoo. So my hairstylist has been trying to get me not to wash my hair every day, but that's sort of hard when you work out and sweat every day. I still take a shower, but this guy is a great little dry shampoo. So we're gonna put a little bit of that in there, and it also smells good. So you guys, I'm just going to kind of whip that through. Okay, just easy kind of hair. And my gray is starting to sprout, so we'll be going to get our hair done soon. little bit of dry shampoo. And then we are going to finish off the lip. So I've already put that LUMI buff on my lips, which I really like that color, but I am obsessed with the Fitglow Beauty. These are the lip serums. You guys, I really love these. And this color is in Bare, and it's just going to give you a nice little plumping look to your lips. This shade is the LUMI in Buff, topped with the lip serum in Bare. Okay, I'm gonna finish off the face with my favorite. We are going to be taking the La Mer Big Fluffy brush, or whichever one you have, dipping it in this bronzer. And you guys, this is gonna kind of be like my finishing powder. We are not setting today because we are using all cream products. And you'll see this just gives you a really nice glow to the skin, but it is just not over the top. So I just love, love, love this. I just love this bronzer. Quickly want to turn you real quick. There is Monster. That is Satchmo, but see, she can actually be good. Briefly. Okay. Finishing off with fragrance of the day. You guys, on weekends, I tend to keep it simple and clean. This is Molecule 01. My daughter and I both like it. This is just basically kind of like your non-perfume perfume. It smells clean. It is one of these weird perfumes where you may not be able to smell yourself, but others smell you. So I tend to just like to kind of spray this on my clothes. And it just gives you just a fresh, clean, invigorating kind of scent. It is basically the Molecule ISO-E Super, which is one of these kind of boosters that they put in fragrances to extend the life. So to me, this is just sort of a really clean fragrance. I really can't even smell it on myself, you guys. I will sort of get wafts in and out of the day, but this one is always something that I get compliments on when I'm wearing this. And I think it's so funny because I literally cannot smell myself, but others can. So this one is described as musky, amber, woody, animalic, powdery. It is a very interesting perfume. I kind of feel like you either love it or you don't. And I think part of the, if you don't like it, is basically because you can't smell it on yourself. It kind of takes a little bit of time for your nose to adjust, I find. So I will get little wafts throughout the day, but this is just kind of like what I think of as weekend easy fragrance. So Molecule 01, interesting fragrance, love it. And it's very clean, fresh, easy to wear. So, okay, you guys, this is the Easy All Cream, essentially, look. Okay, you guys, we are using essentially all of my favorite cream products today. Always have to give a shout out for my Tom Ford Stick Foundation. You guys, this has been in my holy grail of foundations. So glad to pull it out again. Love that. And then you guys, I am really, really enjoying this Fitglow Beauty. This LUMI color is just perfection. Really nice and neutral. I just think it looks really fresh and natural on the face. And then again, these lip serums from Fitglow Beauty, so comfortable on the lips, and they actually stay. So it's kind of like a lip, gloss. But I find that throughout that these stay longer on the lips, and then I love the combination of this buff and this Bare together. So you guys, I am hoping that this was kind of a fun video. And as always, you guys, you're awesome. And thank you for watching. And I hope you have a fantastic weekend.